Edit a YouTube video after upload without deleting it and losing views? Have you ever realized that you forgot to cut a part of your published video? It happened to me. As you can see, this video at the end has some content that needs to be removed. To correct this, I will use the YouTube Studio Editor. Access your YouTube account in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, choose YouTube Studio. Among the options below the profile, click on Content to access your content. Select the video you want to trim. Click on the pencil icon next to the video that indicates details. Now, we access editing, and for that, we use the editor option. This black part of the video is the portion we want to cut. To begin, we need to remove end screens so we can cut the desired part of the video. Click on End Screen. Then select the first end screen on the timeline and click the Delete button. Repeat the process. If you don't have end screen elements, skip this step. Save the changes by clicking Save. Now, we will use the Trim and Cut option. Click on it. Because we want to remove only the last part of the video, move this end marker to the point where you want to trim the video. Save by clicking Save. Changes to your published video will be visible after some time when YouTube approves the changes. Click Save again. That's it. I hope this video is helpful. Follow us for more useful tutorials.